All right, so we have our builder's blend from our in-house transmission builder. He does a specialty blend of oil, tranny fluid, and the assembly glue. So we like to make sure our injectors are well lubricated before we put them in. So I always just get both injector O-rings here. Some people like to go a little bit more around the cups and all that. I just found that you want to lubricate these O-rings too, so when they go into the heads, they don't tear. So we'll go ahead and do them all real quick.
Now, one neat thing about this product is it will blend and mix with almost any oil, the fuel. It doesn't really matter. It'll push it right through. It won't affect anything. Like when Robbie is building a transmission or something, he'll slather this up, or even when we're doing engines, we'll use this. Don't really use it for, like, we'll actually use assembly glue for the bearings and everything, but this really makes everything slide together nice, and it'll immediately break down and push right through with the fuel, so it doesn't affect anything. So getting a little bit in the fuel cup area, which is right here on the injectors, this area right in here will be sitting in the cup. So won't affect anything. Well over 20-30 different vehicles assembled with it, doing it this way. We've had a lot of injector failures, you know, trying it with the oil, doing it with this, doing it with that. I've never had one come back and give me an issue doing this. We have company-owned vehicles of our own. We bulletproofed our own vehicles. We bulletproofed. Vinny just put a DK engine and DK heads in his truck. I mean, that thing's like a beast.
Okay, so when installing the injector, for me, I always put it on there, and then I make sure when I put it in that it's sitting with the injector as it goes down. And you can feel it go in. I'll go ahead and just start my bolt by hand to ensure good thread penetration, and then when I do that, I can see it's not wiggling anymore. I go through and do that to all of them before I tighten them all down.